So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your correct monitor is selected. Now you want to scroll down till we find scale. Make sure that your scale is on the recommended option. Make sure that your display resolution is correct. And make sure that your display orientation is also correct. Now you want to click on advanced display. Again, select your monitor and then make sure that your refresh rate is correct. See if that works. For the second method, change your desktop wallpaper. So just find a wallpaper, right click on it, and then click on Set as Desktop Background. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Just go to your graphics card manufacturer website, for example like Nvidia, AMD or Intel, and then download the software that you need. And then through that software, make sure that you have the latest graphics card drivers installed for your graphics card. See if that works. For the last method, just restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.